Hello everyone, welcome to InfoKit. Today I am going to give a lecture on a very interesting topic, that is goal setting. Dear students, what is meant by goals? Goals are the aims and objectives. Simply, goal setting is a powerful process for thinking about your ideal future and for motivating yourself to turn your vision of this future into reality. If you are with goals, then definitely you will succeed in your life. Why? Because you know the path where you have to go and move on. So, use your time, otherwise, you will lose your time. Remember and realize time will not come back. So utilize your time in the best and proper way. Now I will put some Now I will put some questions to you. Have you any goals in your life? क्या आपने कभी अपने गोल्स के बारे में सोचा है? Have you reviewed your goals in a week or in a month? Goal setting is must for every person. हमारी लाइफ में गोल्स का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज आपकी ज़िंदगी एक रोबोट की तरह होगी. Once you set a goal, you have to be self-motivated to achieve the goals. First and foremost thing is to focus on it, concentrate on it, and work smart. Then definitely you can achieve it. कुछ लोग अपने गोल्स अचीव नहीं कर पाते. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपने एम्स या गोल्स पर फोकस नहीं करते हैं या फिर दे डोंट नो व्हाट देयर गोल इज. सो सेट ए गोल एंड अचीव इट बाय फोकसिंग ऑन इट. आपको टाइम मैनेज करना पड़ेगा स्टेप बाय स्टेप by planning and providing unified effort in a correct direction. Then only one can achieve a goal. Now, the formulation of goals. The process of setting goals helps you choose where you want to go in the life. For that, you have to think deeply, and by that, you can know clearly and precisely what you want to achieve, and you get known where you have to concentrate your efforts. You can set your goals on a number of levels. Firstly, you create your big picture of what you want to do in your life. या फिर अगले 10 साल में या फिर 5 साल में. सेकेंडली, आपके जो गोल्स है उसके छोटे छोटे पड़ाव बनाने चाहिए एंड अचीव द स्मॉलर टारगेट्स. Basically, every person, every individual have the lifetime goals. Some of the important and common goals in a life of a person are categorized into education, career, artistic, financial, attitude, physical fitness, and pleasure. हर इंडिविजुअल सबसे पहला डिसीजन एज ए स्टूडेंट लेता है. When a student passed in 10th standard or 12th standard, he or she has to take a decision regarding education and career. What do you want to be in future? Accordingly, you have to opt the stream of education which paves the way of achievement of goals, that is the career. हर इंसान की अपनी ख्वाहिश होती है कि कोई डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है तो कोई साइंटिस्ट. Apart from this, some people desires to be a wildlife photographer. तो कोई एक्टर या फिर कुछ संगीत और नृत्य में दिलचस्पी रखते हैं. कोई आर्ट को करियर बनाना चाहते हैं तो कोई दूसरे प्रोफेशन में करियर बनाकर अपने आर्टिस्टिक टैलेंट को उजागर करना चाहते हैं. इसके साथ साथ मैं बताना चाहूँगी कि हमारी लाइफ में मनी अर्न करना कितना ज़रूरी है. यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट. हाउ मच यू वांट टू अर्न. बाय व्हाट स्टेज ऑफ योर लाइफ. Simply in 10 years, in 5 years, or in 1 year. One of the lifetime goal of every person is physical. हर कोई चाहता है कि अपनी अच्छी हेल्थ रहे. And most of us used to take care of self health. For the physical fitness, they follow the diet plan and physical exercise. एक और चीज एटीट्यूड. इट इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. So each and everyone must have to self question, how do I respond to others when they speak to me? Do I behave that upsets others? If yes, then one have to set a goal to improve the behavior. Next thing I would like to talk about is leisure time. हर कोई अपने लीजर टाइम को एंजॉय करना चाहेगा. किसी को म्यूजिक सुनकर प्लेजर मिलता है तो किसी को वेलफेयर एक्टिविटीज से. आफ्टर थिंकिंग अबाउट द थॉट्स just I have discussed, select one or more goals from each category that best reflects what you want to do. अभी मैं आपको एक टेक्निक बताऊंगी जिससे कि आपको गोल अचीवमेंट में बहुत मदद मिलेगी. इट इज SWOT एनालिसिस, इन विच S is the strengths, W is the weaknesses, O stands for opportunities, and T stands for the threats. Whatever decisions you are taking in your life, it may be regarding education or profession, तो ये क्वेश्चन आप अपने आप से पूछें. आपको जानना चाहिए कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है और आपकी वीकनेसेस क्या है. स्ट्रेंथ्स को आप जान लोगे, देन प्लान हाउ आई कैन बी गुड टू अचीव द गोल्स बाय माय स्ट्रेंथ्स. आपको अपनी वीकनेसेस का भी पता करना होगा. बाय नोइंग योर वीकनेसेस यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव. आप जो भी डिसीजन लोगे तो गोल को हासिल करने के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज को ध्यान में रखना होगा और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. वाई? बिकॉज opportunities plays a vital role in taking decisions and achievement of goals, and there are threats everywhere. खतरा कहाँ कहाँ पर है, इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है और क्या हो सकते हैं. Then only one can achieve the goal by keeping in mind, is it right to take the decision even though it involves threat. If you are with goals, then definitely you will succeed. Why? Because you know where you are going. While setting goals, you must have to think what you want and then decide whatever your goals are they important and purposeful and meaningful. Think on it, focus on it. What you really want to accomplish. You must establish SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and anchored within a time bond. गोल सेट करने से पहले सोचो exactly and actually what you want to achieve and never be afraid. You have to take a bold decision. हाँ मुझे ये हासिल करना है and it must be specific. That is, it must be well defined. Establish a criteria for how a goal is to be achieved. Measurable does not refer to timeline. It means determining a way to measure the success in accomplishing the long range goals. हमें गोल सेट करने चाहिए जो कि आप पूरा कर सकते हैं. That is, your goals must be achievable. So be proactive in taking actions that will result in reaching the desired goals. Yes, strive for attainable goals. Consider the resources and constraints relative to the situations and allow reasonable time to complete each goal, but not so much that you lose the focus and motivation. Yes, dear students, goals give you focus and allow you to measure progress and keep you locked in a undistracted and motivated. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.